What?
I'm gonna bring you down.
Down where?
To the dunes.
To the dunes?
Yeah.
Alright, that's where we're gonna go, guys. We're gonna be going to the dunes, where we'll be doing sandboarding possibly.
Yeah, maybe today we can do it.
Oh, maybe.
If the bars are open, like today usually like nobody goes out, everyone's working. Only us on vacation, baby. This is the hotel, remember? You remember the
Oh yeah, that's the hotel?
The bridge, remember? We was there last night. This is the street that we...
Oh yeah, that's the bridge up there. This is where I'll be actually flying the drone, you guys, so you guys will be getting some aerial footage of this area. You guys will be able to see the sand dunes and these hotels, these houses. There's a football field right here.
Soccer.
Well, soccer, whatever. Beco Das Dunas.
Yeah, it's where
Wow.
we're gonna go.
Sorry for the poopy window, you guys. This is Brazil. They got large bugs out here. And small microscopic ants. And really, really, really bad roads. And these are the sand dunes. I don't know what to expect, you guys, but...
Oh, it's closed.
Oh, it's closed?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think they only open on the weekends.
Let's just get out and walk around. Alright. Well, this place and every other place that we've been going to looks abandoned. This place is just not open right now, I'm assuming. That's what Jemana said.
Take your shoes off, your football.
Look at this. If you guys see right up there, right at the top of that mountain cliff area, is where I'll be setting off the drone. But I might even be able to set it off right here. So who knows? Look at this place. Amazing. Sorry for my shaking. Oh, Jemana has some friends here. They are here. Alright, so good thing, you guys. We just talked to the owner. Jemana's still talking to her, catching up and whatnot. But me, I'm going to get the drone. My DJI Phantom 3 Advanced. Yeah. So she just asked me if I wanted a sandboard. And I told her, yeah, of course I want a sandboard. Who doesn't want a sandboard? I really don't know what to expect when I see this sandboard. I've snowboarded before, but Jemana's got a board right here. She's gonna show me what this thing looks like. But what should I do first? Should I do the drone?
No, it's not bar first.
Sandboard.
Yeah,
You wanna show them it?
sandboard.
You wanna show them it? Show them what it looks like. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
And that's the name of the place we're at, you guys. And
Yeah,
out
Beco
at
Das
England.
Dunas.
Jemana says that this is not like snowboarding, but we are gonna wax up the board with some candle wax. She says I'm not gonna be able to do it like I do snowboarding. I'm alright with snowboarding, but
We see.
we see. She's gonna videotape me while I'm up in the dunes coming down, so stay tuned. Alright, this is definitely gonna be something different. So I just like, what? Go ahead the whole thing?
Yep. But don't put much. You don't want to go too fast with that.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand how wax helps on sand.
Because the hot gonna burn and melt this and make it go fast. I think you're fine.
We'll see. Here, hold that. So, I guess I'm gonna just go straight up, I guess.
Yeah. Not so bad, right?
It's almost like snowboarding. But it's obviously less slippery. But the sand gets under your feet.
It's because it rained yesterday.
So the other day it rained. So if you look, it's wet. But I feel like the further up, the better. Guys, it's definitely different than snowboarding. Because obviously you don't have a chair to bring you up. It's hotter, but it's definitely different. So I gotta go back up.
You want to put more this?
Yeah, go on. Oh, it's a workout.
He gonna be so tired tonight.
Not like a snowboard where it's stuck in the binding and it moves. All right, you wanna go? Rana?
I'm good.
Your turn.
No.
Woo!
Are you tired?
Yeah, my rib keeps popping.
That's my old man.
It's definitely an experience, you guys. If you guys can get to do it, definitely do it. This is where I'll be shooting my drone in a little while, but I paid for this, so I might as well get some use out of it. This is something I didn't show you guys on day 3, but this is the other side. Look at that. Cool. Yo, there's like Blackhawks roaming all around here in the sky, waiting for one of us to collapse and die and eat our organs. And all right, she's gonna record me again. What, straight down?
Yep.
Yeah? Stop? Stop? Oh, I can feel the wetness.
Yeah. Over there.
Yeah.
Yep. Blah, blah, blah.
I don't understand how the sand isn't dry. It feels like 100 degrees out here. Alright, here we go. Maybe.
He's trying.
Oh. It's too wet. There we go. Maybe, no. Doesn't want to work with me today.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. I'm a pro at this. Not so bad. I can go right. I'm like, I'm laying on my back.
Maybe you just need a little bit of push.
What is that? Oh, this sucks.
Yeah, it's too empty.
Yeah, tell her it's too wet. But it is what it is, guys. At least I tried it. Maybe if it's nice for the next few days.
But here we go. When you guys want to do something nice, come here.
Bar Beco Das Dunas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right over there.
First time for everything, right? We'll come back sometime. Now I want to fly the drone up there. Get that footage. And then we'll go up there later and get the footage down here.